Oh man, I'm videoing it. Oh man.
Sir?
Hey, Win, you got anything to say about this transformer bank?
This is one of the better jobs that I've seen down here in the last 12 years.
No, this is the video.
Get you a picture of that for Nick.
Oh yeah, look at here, Nick. See, it's got flow. It's got flow. And then the substation department come and fixed the transformer. Yeah, it was leaking. So there we go. And
now you're getting into the meter engineering.
This is meter engineering. Wow, this is what we call this. Who put that number 12 up there?
That is meter engineering at its best. It takes a lot of fine finesse to work that wire, that size of wire, into that angle.
Man.
Turn just right, take just right. Not just everybody can do that.
Dang.
Fine job.
All right.